Hey guys, what's happening? How to trade crypto on Kraken Pro. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to select your favorite crypto trading pair, right? And you can select, or you can press spot and margin and select your favorite trading pair, right? Now what you're gonna do, let's say for example, I'm trading BDC USD, right? Please be noticed that this is not a financial advice, so study the market and do it or execute on your own risk. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna buy or sell, of course, the coin, right? And of course, select instead of limit. If you want to select a different type of execution, you can select trading stop, whatever, right? And select the amount of Bitcoin or the amount in USD if you don't know the market price so far, right? And then what you're gonna do, instead of spot, if you want to leverage margin, you can do that, obviously. And if you want to change, of course, the trading stop trade and set it to limit or market, you can just select the limit or select your type of trade and then hit buy or sell the coin, right? So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.